Okay, new 2026 on a 26 registration. This is the Defender 90 hardtop commercial D250S 26 model year, finished in Borasco grey, the new grey colour, with our full bespoke MASV styling package. A few additional extras on this one as well. We've got the full gloss black bonnet, centre grille, which ties into all the lower gloss grills. So full two-tone look, upgraded bonnet vents, extended wide arches, front canards. We've got a red colour accent there on the front. 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels, red calipers, fully colour-coded. Gloss black side steps, front and rear classic mud flaps, gloss black door handles, LED light pod to the roof. What a stunning looking Defender commercial. This is a VAT qualifying tax efficient vehicle for your business. Classed as a van. Great specification on this one. So we've got air suspension, which is an option. New style rear lights, electric deployable tow bar, gloss black rear wheel cover, rear spoiler. So commercial load space, rubber matting, underfloor storage. All the buttons on the back, so that's your air and your electric tow bar. Keyless entry. Black signage panel to the rear window. And I'll just show you inside. So, jump seat model, so 3 front seats, foldable into a large armrest. New style 26 model year, so we've got the 13-inch screen. Digital speedo, 190 delivery miles only. Multifunction steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist. Black headliner, perforated leather. It's got the Guard-X factory Land Rover kit, so it's all been paint protected as well. What a nice spec for the Borasco Grey 90 hardtop commercial. Full bespoke styling, bit of a one of one. I think it looks fantastic, especially with the two-tone gloss black front end. Plenty of Defender commercials in stock, 90s and 110s, all new 2026 registrations. Any interest, give us a call, 0777 111 2040. All of our stock online on www.ma-sv.co.uk. Finance is available, part exchange is most welcome. Thank you for watching.